Hi everybody and welcome to Monday, December 13th and the video for Tuesday, December 14th. I've lumped these 2 days together because these are our last 2 work days in class for both my standards and honor students. So I wanted to make sure that we had a little bit of time to kind of talk about these 2 days. For Monday and Tuesday, my honors class, you will be having final presentations. You will be presenting the new symbols you have created in class, your physical symbols you've created to represent the new characters, whether this is Prim, whether this is Rue, Hamish, Cinna, whoever it is. You're having your final presentations, and I've talked to you guys about what's expected for your final presentations, okay? For my standard students today, I had you guys actually work on the symbolism work that my honors kids did last week, so you can check out that last video on symbolism of what we did. But we did symbolism in class together. Any homework is just any missing assignments. Today's odds, any missing assignments are due tomorrow. This is the video for tomorrow. My standard students tomorrow, you would be working on some light work for the Hunger Games. I had you guys do some study hall and just some easy stuff, okay? All right. As always, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.